Dear students, let's continue our chapter 8 of science, which is our nervous system. We have almost completed the chapter. Right now, today, we need to discuss the important keywords of the chapter. Even I have given you to learn it in the homework, and I have told you that we will discuss it in the next video. So today is the day to discuss them. I hope, dear class, that you have gone through these words. The first word that we need to discuss is brain. What is the brain? It is a soft and the delicate part of the body, protected within the skull. You can touch the upper part of the skull. Inside it, there is brain present, which is a very soft and the delicate part of the body. And to protect the brain, skull is there. If I ask you which organs protect the brain, then you will tell the answer skull. Now next, it is cerebellum. Cerebellum, it is the part of the brain situated between the cerebellum and medulla. When you are going to see the part of the brain, there you can find the brain is divided into three different parts. There, the one part is the cerebellum, which is in between the cerebrum and the medulla. Then next, it is cerebrum. It is the large upper part of the brain. The upper part of the brain is called as the cerebrum. Now, the next word, it is the eardrum. Eardrum is the thin membrane which is present inside the ear. Right? The function of eardrum is to convert the sound which enters the ear into the vibrations. Eardrums are the one which takes the sound and convert it to the vibrations, and then it sends these vibrations to the nerves present in the body, in the near the ear. Now next word, it is medulla. It is the lowermost part of the human brain. Now next is the reflex action. Reflex action, it is a quick response to a stimulus. I have explained you about the reflex action when I was explaining the chapter, right? Whenever we get hurt, we quickly respond. Whenever our foot get stepped on a throne, within a seconds we pull it. This is because of the reflex action. In this, our body works in the fastest way it can, and this is done with the help of our spinal cord. Now, let's do this one. This was the homework for you. So today we are going to do here in the class. My dear students, the first one, it is a quick response to a stimulus is called a. Options are rapid action and reflex action, and the correct one, it is reflex action. A quick response to a stimulus is called a reflex action. Now, second one. Second, it is when sound enter the ear, the eardrum, the options are vibrate or recognizes the sound. When I was explaining this chapter, I have told you the sound when it comes to the ear, it goes inside it to the eardrum, and when it reaches to the eardrum, it vibrates. So the correct answer is vibrates. When sound enter the ears, the eardrum vibrates. Now, third it is the tongue has. Options are taste buds or lenses. So first tell me, for what purpose we use the tongue? What is the function of tongue? It is to recognize the taste of food. So it is obvious that the taste buds are present on the tongue. Now lens. So lens are present in the eyes of the human being. It is the one because of which we can see the things clearly. So my dear class, I hope it is clear to you. Dear class, now let's do the book exercise of this chapter. Let's start with tick the correct option. First one, it is the nervous system is made up of. The options here are brain, spinal cord and nerves, or it is brain, heart and liver, or nerves, arteries and veins, or eardrum, taste buds and nerves. And the correct answer is brain, spinal cord and nerves. I have written here with the help of blue ink. You can mark the option. Now, second, my dear class. Second, it is the spinal cord is protected inside the. Options are brain, ribcage, vertebral column or skull. And dear class, the correct answer is vertebral column. The spinal cord is protected inside the vertebral column. Now the third one. Third, it is motor nerves carry messages from the. And options are sense organs to the brain or spinal cord, or brain or spinal cord to the parts of the body, or eyes to the spinal cord or brain to the heart. And the correct answer is brain or spinal cord to the parts of the body. So motor nerves carry messages from the brain or spinal cord to the different parts of the body. Now let's do the fourth one. Fourth, it is a quick response to a stimulus is called. The options are a rapid action, a reflex action, a reaction, or an automatic action. So my dear class, the correct answer is a reflex action. Now the fifth one. Fifth, it is the Lowermost part of the brain is and the options are medulla, cerebrum, cerebellum, and vertebral column. And dear class, the correct answer of this is the medulla. Medulla is the lowermost part of the brain. Dear class, so now tick the correct options are over. Now here you can see the remember part of your book. Today I am going to give you this as your homework. You have to read the chapter, then after reading the whole chapter, see this. You will be able to revise the chapter by reading this part. So you have to read this, and I am going to explain you this in our next video. And also you try to complete your book exercise of this chapter, and don't forget to send it to me. So take care, bye bye.